If you have rough notes, a draft, or even a messy block of text and you want to turn it into a clean blog post fast, Grammarly can help you do that in just a few clicks. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to convert text to a blog on Grammarly, step by step, even if you've never used the feature before. By the end, you'll know how to open your document, give Grammarly the right prompt, generate a structured blog draft, and then insert the finished version into your workspace. If this tutorial helps, go ahead and hit the like button, and make sure you subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open an existing document in Grammarly or paste your rough text into a text editor where Grammarly is already active. This can be a collection of notes, an outline, a rough article, or even a few ideas you want to expand into a full blog post. The important thing is simply getting your content into a place where Grammarly's assistant can read and work with it. Once your text is ready, look for the green bulb icon or the Grammarly Assistant widget. This is the tool you'll use to access the AI writing prompt. Click on it to open the panel. When the Assistant panel opens, you'll usually see a prompt text field near the bottom. Click directly inside that field so you can type your custom instruction. This is where you tell Grammarly exactly what you want it to do, and the clearer your instruction is, the better the result will be. For example, you can type something like, convert this text into a structured blog post with an engaging introduction, headings, and a conclusion. That kind of prompt gives Grammarly a strong direction, so it knows you want a readable blog format instead of just a rewritten paragraph. After typing your instruction, press enter and let Grammarly generate the blog layout for you. Give it a few moments to process the request. Depending on the length of your original text, it may build out a more polished draft with headings, transitions, and a more natural flow. Once the draft appears, take a moment to review it carefully. Check whether the structure makes sense, whether the tone feels right, and whether any details need adjusting before you use it. If the result looks good, click Insert to replace your rough text with the formatted blog post. This is the fastest way to turn a basic draft into something that looks more like a real article. If the first version is not exactly what you wanted, you can always retry with a slightly different prompt. For example, you could ask for a more casual tone, a more professional style, or shorter headings. That way you can refine the output until it matches the blog style you need. And that's it. You've now learned how to convert text to blog on Grammarly using a simple prompt, review the AI-generated draft, and insert the final version into your document. It's a quick way to save time, organize your ideas, and turn rough text into something much more polished. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more easy how-to tutorials.